So cruising Ava Grace. One of the issues we have with this boat, well, it's a fantastic boat, and we're up on the flying bridge here, is that don't have any depth. So no depth sounder as such. What we have is the nav data. We have a store nav track, and we've got an old nav center which is way over here. Now the nav center does have depth on it, but it's a small figure and it's way outside of any sight line. The other thing I use is my Acer tablet, and that's on Navionics. So we've got a tablet up here, I've got a spare tablet as well. So what we came across is this. It's Sonar Phone, and this is a sonar that will connect to your Android or iPhone tablet or your smartphone. So that's a Wi-Fi sender unit, and there is the transducer for the sonar. So I'm going to fit that today, and let's see what happens. Before I do that, I'll just open the package and see what we get. Avoid the cables. I hate this sort of sealed packaging. Now I'm in the UK, these are not available in the UK at all. So that's the actual transducer. That can be either transom mounted, or it will go on the hull on the inside and transmit through with a fiberglass hull. So then we've got also, I guess that's for a phone, for fishing. We've got USB adapter, power source. We've already got one of those there. Called the Tbox. So where are we going to mount the new transducer? We need to be able to get to the Tbox, and I don't want to put that in the engine bay because that's surrounded in sound insulation and foil, etc. So that could block the Wi-Fi. That wants to be mounted on a flat plane at the bottom of the hull, obviously. It does say towards the stern, but away from prop wash. So we're a shaft drive, twin shaft drive, so I need to be mounting somewhere just forward of the props. So I think the best place will be in this cupboard for the Tbox, and I can mount it somewhere up here, quite handy to get at, to turn it on and off. And then I've got down here, lighting's bad in here, take that hatch up, that is down into the rear bilge. Pleased to see it's nice and dry, but I've got a nice flat bottom down there. Just needs a good clean, and then up behind that face there is my electrical cabinet, so I should be able to take the power for the Tbox. So it's going to be a case of bringing the sonar transducer cabling up through the floor, and then a hole through into the electrical cabinet to take my 12 volts out. So I will get on and start doing the job and keep showing bits as we go. Okay, so the transducer position. I moved it a little bit. It was easy to get to. My arms aren't quite long enough, so I had to just move it forward a little bit and then use a sander to get down there, and then a little bit of an extension on the end of it to put it in. That's pressed right into the silicon, and that's right hard onto the deck. So that's it says silicon down, and ensure you've got no air bubbles. A bit difficult, but moved it around a bit and pressed it, and so I think we're in position okay there. So in the end, I've mounted it on the back shelf of this cupboard. It's a little bit of a reach in, not quite as close as I wanted it, but it saves me lengthening the power cable. So all I have to do now is find where to drill through that wall and find 12 volts, spare 12 volts in the panel, which should be easy, but there again, this is a boat. So this is actually about 4 weeks later. We had some issues. The Tbox wouldn't power up. We've got it all installed and checked everything, and got no power on the Tbox, which is the Wi-Fi box for the Vexilar. After testing it, we got power to it. Everything was fine on the boat side. After contacting Vexilar, they recommended I send the unit back to them, which I did. They tested it and found it faulty, so they sent me a new Tbox out, and that's where we are now. I've just got back to where we were 4 weeks ago and installed the new Tbox. So that is now in position there, and bingo! We have power up. So I'll just stick with that a little bit. We've got the transponder down right at the bottom of the hull on a slight angle. I wanted it not quite at that angle, but I hope that will be okay. I'm about to try to connect on Sonar Phone, and let's just see whilst it. Oh, that looks better. Look at that. That's good. We're very, very low on water here at the moment, and that's pinging just about where I think it should be. So I am really pleased about that. So the next thing to do is actually try it when we move in, which I won't do today, but that is a hot face of relief. It's been a struggle, but we've got there. And when we test it, we'll find out this weekend.